The 72 Cutlass here took about 2 years for the build. We actually stripped it down to the bare metal, dressed everything, tightened all the gaps. But the owner wanted to keep it original and as classic as possible, so we dressed the engine to look like the old original Ram Air engine, and then we did the interior. We worked with Renegade Customs and Covers in Little Rock, Arkansas. He did a phenomenal job keeping the original style, but everything was custom. It's all CNC fab or 3D printed, and he did a phenomenal job. The blue leather just pops on this white Cutlass.
Kind of come together, the owner of the car wanted something that was really timeless and actually looked like it belonged in the car. He wanted 20 years from now, he wanted it to look like it was supposed to still be there. And to where you would almost have to know the car to not realize that it's not kind of an original interior.
Absolutely honored to be chosen by TMI for the Best Custom Award for the SEMA this year. It's a huge honor. Anytime, the competition here is phenomenal. I mean, you got the best of the best of the best, and the bar keeps getting higher and higher for it. So it's a big honor for us to be chosen for that, and for someone to be able to appreciate the subtle things that we've done to this car, all the little custom touches. Even the door lock knobs were custom milled CNC billet to match the custom steering wheel and the custom shift knob. But we want to keep that theme, but we wanted the car to still retain the original classic style.